Okay, my objective today is to show you how I find what I think is the next Amazon, which in a broader terminology is the next super growth stock. And I think there's an easy way to do it. It's just accessing the data and knowing how to interpret the data. So let's take a look at some stocks and see what a growth stock looks like. Here's a stock I want to start with. And what I'm showing you here is Wall Street's projections of what their revenues are going to be between 2025 and 2026 and how they're going to grow. So you're seeing here this stock is actually going to have a decrease in revenues in 2025, a slight increase in 26, and even a slight increase in 27, and then again a decrease in 2028. That doesn't look like a growth stock. Let's look at what its earnings look like. Well, they're going to drop from what they were in 2024 down to $9.25, and that's a 12.75% drop. Then they're going to go up 5, 4, 7. Is this a growth stock? I don't really think so. Equate it to your income. If your income is not keeping up with inflation, are you a growth individual? I don't think so. What stock is this? It's a company called General Motors. You may have heard of them. Let's look at something else and see if it's a growth stock. Here's a stock, on the other hand, who's growing its revenues at 53%, 26%, 16%, and then it starts slowing down in 2029. Is that a growth stock? I think maybe it is. I basically say if revenues grow over 20%, you're a growth stock. Here's their earnings. Their earnings are growing 44% in 2026, 35 in 2027, and then it starts slowing down. But between now and 2028, that's definitely a growth stock. What do they call themselves? They call themselves Nvidia. Ever heard of them? Think they're a growth stock? Well, they are probably for the next 2 or 3 years. Let's look a little deeper. Wow, look at this one. Revenues grow in 2025 by 1,200 and almost 95%. And then followed by the next year, revenue growth of 359, and then 218, and then 138, and then it starts to slow down. Wow. Kerry, what is the name of that? Well, let's look. Let's see if their earnings per share are going to grow too. They came up from, it looks like, a negative, and then they went up 397, 350, 139. I think that's a growth stock. What do you think? Would you like to know? Would you like to stumble upon this and say, holy what's ever? And look, it's got a PE ratio of 36. That's not outrageous if you're growing your revenues by 300, almost 400% the next year. What's the name of this stock? AST SpaceMobile. What the hell is that? I know. They're putting satellites up into the sky so that you and I, wherever we go in this world, whether it's South Africa or India or Asia, we can get cell phone service on our phone. Well, isn't that what SpaceX or whatever that thing that... No, it's a different thing. But maybe you want to write that ticker down. ASTS. That's how you find a growth stock. Is that the only one? Well, let's look a little further. Wait a second. There's a stock whose revenues grew by 12,540% in 1 year. My God, they must have bought something. And then it goes up by 62, 35, 30, 26, 22. I think we found a winner, don't you? Let's see what their earnings are. Up 95%, 55, 52. That looks like maybe another Amazon, and we found it. What's the name of that one, Kerry? QXO. Wait a second. I think I did a video on that 2 days ago. I think I started buying that about a week ago. How do you find these things? Let's keep looking. Okay, here's a stock. It's going to take its 3.9 billion up to 5 billion, up to 6.5 billion, up to 9.4, and then 12. Wow, that's a stock that's growing. How about its earnings? Are its earnings gone up 41, almost 42, 25, 31, 54? I think that's a growth stock, don't you? I mean, if your income was going up 41, 25, 31, 54, do you think your significant other would say, hey, you're a growth engine? I think they might. Oh, that's Palantir. Ah, so that's how it works. That's how you can determine, even though it's got a PE ratio of 260, which is outrageous, it's still growing. I know one I want to look at. Let me look at this. Now, I know you're familiar with this company, but wait a second. $407 billion to 431, that's a 5% increase. Inflation's what? 4.5? And then 457 billion? That's a big company, but it's not growing its revenues, is it? How about its earnings? $7.20 and about a 9% increase to 785, then a 10%. No, that's not anything I'm interested. Wait a second. That's Apple. That's how you find growth stocks. I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor. I make my living off the stock market. My portfolio grew by 60% over the last 3 months. I do it by finding growth stocks, recognizing what a growth stock is, what the next Amazon looks like today, and then finding the data that supports where it's going over the next 3, 5, 10 years so that I can continue to make 60% on my portfolio every 3 months. Oh, I don't think that will continue. But why not? Somebody's going to be the next Amazon. Somebody's going to be the next Microsoft. Why can't I find it if I know where to look and I know how to interpret the data to make a intelligent investment decision, rather than just watching CNBC or Bloomberg and listening to someone who comes on and says, hey, this is what I'm investing in? No, show me the numbers. Show me the numbers. And don't tell me that you're upgrading this stock and your name is Morgan Stanley or Goldman Sachs. What's your motive? Why are you upgrading the stock? And how much of it did you buy yesterday before you told me that you were upgrading it? And then wait, how much of it did you sell yesterday before you told me you were downgrading it? No, I want my own data. I want my own information. I want to know how to interpret it and how to make good investment decisions. That's what I do for my tribe members. I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor, and I've discovered the key to wealth. It's all in data. And I get my data from these two people, Samantha and Bard. They're my AI agents. Jensen Huang told me I would have an AI agent. I just had to figure out how to build them. Let's talk about this again tomorrow.